Hello, my name is Meminante Berry, and this is my Excel project on state population by race/ethnicity. This project is for County 595 with Dr. Ring Ling in Texas A&M University of Commerce. This state population data titled Population Distributed by Race/Ethnicity came from KFF, the Kaiser Family Foundation. I used the time frame 2019 because they didn't have 2020. This data came from this website. I used the number form for this project, but they also have the Excel form as well. There's also the notes at the bottom, which I included in this Excel in this worksheet titled Notes because it gives more information about the data. I copy and paste this data onto this worksheet titled Data Original, and I use the format as table to make my table because it didn't originally look like this. I center and merge the first two lines and bolded, and I centered the headings as well. This total, I calculated this total using the auto sum horizontally to get me the total of each of the states. And I also total, which is the United States total, of each of the ethnicity and race using auto sum vertically. They also have Puerto Rico in the data, so I included it there, which gave me the grand total when I added this and this to get this. And same thing for the other race. So the grand total population, including the United States and Puerto Rico, will be this number right here. You can also use the auto sum button to average, count, max, min, and other stuff too. I copy and paste this table onto this worksheet entitled Analysis because we can use these arrows on the headings to find the largest and smallest of each of the number of the race or heading. So you use this and you click this, which come out to that, and you click this, and you find the largest for the one. And you can do that for each of the others. Like for the total, for the smallest will be Wyoming, and the largest will be California. This worksheet titled Data 2 is a data we can create our pivot table and further analyze this data. So you'll copy and paste all the way down here, which have to include the headings because it's very important. Then you can go to Insert, then you go to Pivot Chart, then you go to Pivot Chart and Table. Then you would click OK to take you to the next worksheet. Then we're going to create a top 10 state that has the largest sum. So it'd be put location for the axis, and we're going to use the total, which will be value. So you look at the graph and you look at the chart. To create our top 10, we'll go to value, top 10 items, sum by total, and you click OK. Then you have our top 10 in a random order. But if we want to know the state that has the largest total, we'll go to More Sort Option, We go to descendant, then we're going to subtotal, click OK, and it'll be California. And the chart will look like this. And we want to know the top smallest states in terms of total. Click value, top 10, switch top to bottom, click OK, and then give you the top 10. Then you want to know the smallest states in terms of total population. Click so on, sending, click OK. Then it'll be Wyoming, and the chart reflects that. You can do that for any of these other states as well. And you can go to value to analyze further. So here again, this is the note that support our data. So in conclusion, there are many things you can do with this data in Excel and many other functions to play with as well. Thank you for watching and listening to my Excel project presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.